Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, do's and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again and got a box to open up. I think I know what it is, but not sure. But you guys probably already know because it's in the thumbnail. All right, roll with me. Let's check it out. Hey, all right. So I'm getting ready to chop into this. I think I know what this is. I picked up or I ordered a fragrance. I only ordered like one fragrance recently, and this is probably it, or at least I hope this is it. And if it is, it's a fragrance that I have a sample, and I've had multiple samples of it in the past, and I finally found it at a pretty good price. So I figured, go ahead, let's jump in and get it. Let's see. Paper. Yes, it is. This is what I thought it was. This is Lune Feline. And this is, oh man, Atelier des Horus. This is a niche fragrance. So I'm gonna take my time a little bit with this one. I already know what it smells like. I had a sample of it, or at least hopefully the sample is the same smell that I will get from this. And let's see, what else did I get in this box? It's a sample. I don't know if that name is gonna come up. And what else is in here? That is it. No. What is this? Oh, I got it from Fragrance Net, and that's a just regular pamphlets and stuff. All right, let's check this out. Oh man, I've smelled this fragrance multiple times, and I've had multiple samples of it. So let's just jump right into it. Alrighty, let's see, how do I open this now? And I think I have watched a unboxing of it, I think. Let's see, how do I, okay, here we go. It's a slip cover. I definitely don't want to drop this. And there's the box. I guess I should have showed you the slip cover too, but, and little symbol on the top. It's a pull tab there, nothing on the back, and on the bottom it's just the normal information. Okay, and let's see. It just slides out like this. Oh my goodness, look at this bottle. This bottle is amazing. Look at this. It sits in there like that. Oh, actually, I guess you can't really see it just yet. But this company, they infuse their fragrances with these little gold pieces. I'm not sure if that's coming through. Look at that. Look at the gold pieces floating around in there. Now, one of the samples that I got, it I guess I had it so long that air got into it, and it's a darker color than this now. It's like a chocolate brown, and the gold flakes in it are completely gone. So since I already know what the smells like, I'm gonna go ahead and go straight on skin to see if it's the same. And I don't see any gold flakes, no gold flakes. Oh my goodness. Woo! Oh, this is strong. This is actually stronger than the samples that I got. So maybe the sample is starting to go bad. Look at the shine. Ooh. Oh my goodness. This is such a great fragrance. It's like a vanilla, like a spicy vanilla. And it's a little bit more masculine than most vanilla fragrances. Most vanilla fragrances kind of come off as like kind of feminine a little bit, or feminine leaning, or maybe unisex, but you know, maybe a little bit to the feminine side. But this one just seems so much masculine. This one seems like a vanilla fragrance that's kind of mixed with like a the one. It kind of gives me that vibe of like the one, and with extra vanilla, or like Tom Ford's maybe like a tobacco vanille, similar to that. It has that kind of vibe to it, and I've been wanting this fragrance for so long. I'm so glad to finally get this. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this is it. This is all I have for today. Actually, I'm gonna grab the I'm gonna take my time a little bit with this. I'm gonna go grab the notes, and I'm gonna go get the sample that I have, so I can show you how much has changed. Hold on a second. I'm back in, and this is the sample that I got. Actually, I see that I actually got the sample from FragranceNet also. Let's see if that name is going to come in. Yeah, so I got the sample from it too. But look how dark the fragrance is, and the gold. It was gold petals in there, just like on the fragrance. It was this color. It was this color, and it had these gold petals in it, but now it's turned brown. So I don't know if maybe air got into it, or the fragrance gone bad a little bit, but this is not as strong as what I smell on here. And this is the regular one. It's not the extract. The extract is the new one that came out after. It's supposed to be a little bit different in smelling, but this one is the one that I like the most. And this is, again, Lune Feline by Atelier d'Ors. And go with the notes. The notes are pretty good. Some of the stuff that I do get from it is that vanilla, and it's a little spicy, and it gets a little powdery as it dries down. Like I said, it kind of reminds me a little bit, well, not reminds me, but it's the same energy as like the one, or Tom Ford Noir Extreme, or Tobacco Vanille. It has those kind of vibes where it's almost like a date scent, but you could wear it professionally, I guess, if you wanted to. But jumping into the notes, the top notes are cardamom, cinnamon, and pink pepper. The middle notes are woodsy notes, ambergris, styrax, cedar, and green notes. And then in the base notes, we have Tahitian vanilla, Peru balsam, and musk. So all that said, it just smells really great. It smells like right now it's actually getting a little bit creamy. It's starting to smell a little bit different. So maybe the sample is starting to go bad, but it's starting to smell different. I don't remember this smell coming through. It's almost kind of like a sweet smell that I'm getting. The vanilla in this is more of like a grown up kind of vanilla. It's not a sweet vanilla. It's like a dry vanilla. But now I'm getting something sweet, almost like a cake batter kind of vibe in the background. And I'm still picking up the spiciness and the vanilla spiciness. I don't know what the spiciness is from. What is this? That's not what I was looking at. Spiciness probably from the cinnamon and the pink pepper. But yeah, this is going to be a great fragrance. I mean, it's been a great fragrance anyway, because as you can see, I used most of the sample, even though it's starting to change color. But look at that bottle, man. This is, whoo-wee. Oh my goodness. This is going to be, I think, going to be one of my favorite ones for the winter time. This is it's a fragrance that's more so geared for the fall, winter, or maybe a cool evening if you're in the summertime or spring. Not necessarily for like a hot summer day, like 90 degrees or higher. It's not going to work. Or not even 80 degrees. But it's probably not going to work, especially if it's humid. All right. that's all I got for you today. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about Ateliers de Ors, Lune Feline. Oh my goodness. So glad to finally get this in my collection. Till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.